Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the equation of a circle. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise you can subscribe at the end. The equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. From the above formula, we have the following very important information. The centre of the circle is AB, that's the point on the number plane, and the radius is r. The most basic circle occurs when the centre is at the origin, that is, at 0, 0. The equation of the circle then becomes x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And you can see that circle here. So the equation of this circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. The centre is at the origin, and the radius is r. The diagram to the right shows the general circle with centre at AB, which is here, and radius r units. It is important to note that the centre AB can be located anywhere on the number plane. So just to repeat, the formula for the circle whose centre is at the point AB and whose radius is r is x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. Here are some specific examples we can look at. The circle below has the equation x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equals 3 squared. The centre is at the point 2, 2, and the radius is 3 units. So this is exactly the same as the general formula we saw on the previous slide, except it is a specific circle because it has the numbers here, here, and here. And we've already spoken about what those numbers mean. Here's another circle here. The circle below has the centre at 2, negative 3, with radius 3 units. So it's x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 3 all squared equals 9. Now that 9 I've designated here is the same as 3 squared. That's why the radius is 3 units. Now this is a very interesting section here. Completing the square to find the centre and radius. Now what does this actually mean? I've tried to explain it quite simply here, so here we go. Sometimes the equation of a circle can be given in what seems to be a complicated format. This is where we attempt to complete the square to transform the original equation into a recognizable format. Now here is an example. Find the centre and radius of the following circle. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. Now that doesn't look anything like the general equation we saw earlier, but there is a way we can do it. I want you to remember I mentioned in earlier videos that a plus b all squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And a minus b all squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So it's the first term squared plus twice their product plus the second term squared. And this is very similar here, but that's just a minus sign. Now let's rearrange this equation. Now I've changed nothing here except the order of the terms, and I've placed the 3 on the right hand side. So if you look at that equation carefully, it's exactly the same as this one, same as that one there. I've just rearranged the terms and put the 3 on the right hand side. Now complete the square. We have x squared minus 6x. All you do, if you follow the rules here, you just halve this number here. So make that minus 3 and then square it. That gives you 9. So you've completed the square. So that 9 is in red. We've added that to the left-hand side. Over here, you halve the 4, so that gives you 2. You square it, and that gives you 4. So we've completed the square here. And we've added that 4 there. So altogether on the left-hand side, we've added 9 plus 4 is 13. So we have to add 13 to the right-hand side to keep the equation balanced. Factorising that section gives us x minus 3 all squared. Factorising this section gives us y plus 2 all squared. And the right-hand side is 16. In other words, x minus 3 all squared plus y plus 2 all squared equals 4 squared. So the centre is 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, negative 2. There it is there. And the radius is 4 units. And that's how you find the centre and the radius when you have an equation like this. You have to complete the square. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle: a friend in need is a friend indeed. I think you'll understand that if you look at it carefully. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and check through the video at any time if you need to do so. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You will receive a notification when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.